Bitcoin money in a real sense, all things considered, has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. BCH United States dollar exchanges close $267.22, essentially especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The genuinely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money really is at $436,254,493, which by and large is genuinely critical in a significant manner. 08 July 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on some things, facts. What in every practical sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, in a real sense all things considered. Is BCH a wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every practical sense is very huge amazingly. However, prior to jumping especially profound into the BCH specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, which in every practical sense sort of shows that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the BCH specialized investigation, truly sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the especially current economic situations in a very significant manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953, showing that BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $267.22, which is genuinely huge. The very all-out exchanging volume sort of in a real sense remains at $20,577,638,440, exhibiting how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%. Showing how the very genuinely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense is at $436,254,493 in an especially huge manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 0.65%. Coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, reasonably especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time period, or so they basically certainly thought. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.66. and at present exchanging at 47 cents, sort of most certainly further appearance. How the kind of current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money especially is at $436,254,493, or so they in a real sense thought in an extremely significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very large way. Or so they thought. These occasions really show that the market truly is going in a really descending heading for present moment, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. As of now, and in every practical sense, genuinely broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize essentially exceptionally key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which fundamentally shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they fundamentally thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers entirely the most part become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a really significant manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction actually explicitly is a level at which dealers sort of become most certainly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving reasonably commonly higher in an extremely huge manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The sort of current Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense is $267.22, with an exchanging volume of $436,254,493 in the essentially beyond 24 hours, which by and large shows that right now, an especially broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially all things considered, shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem incredibly. At present, BCH especially is somewhere near 5.51% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $5,195,534,083 United States dollars, which truly shows that Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize kind of fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value examination BCH cost examination for 08 July 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of underneath. So right now, BCH by and large sort of is somewhere around 5.51% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $5,195,534,083 United States dollars, which in every way that really matters, truly shows that Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which sort of shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a fundamentally significant way. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally sort of straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to really break down the future development of the Bitcoin money. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way, essentially